Money matters. Types of money. What is money? How do people pay for things they need and want? They use money. Money pays for goods and services. Money has value because people agree on what it is worth. Long ago, people used beads, beans, and salt as money. They also used shells, stones, and metals. Today, most countries have their own kind of money. A country's money is called its currency. Cash is made up of coins and bills. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters are common American coins. And here are the American coins. We have the penny, nickel, the dime, quarter, half dollar, and the $1. Bills are made of paper. The smallest U.S. bill is $1, or you could write it like this, $1. The biggest is $100. Here are the American bills that we have, the $1, $2, which you don't see too often, $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100. People have checking accounts at their bank. They write checks to other people, companies, and stores. Eventually, a check is cashed for money. It can also be deposited into another account. Here are the different parts of a check. So, this is where your name goes, the date, check number. Number 4 is where you would write who you're writing the check to. Number 5 is the amount. And number 5 is also the amount. In this little box, you'll write it using numbers, and then on this long line, you'll write that number using words. And number 6 is where you would sign your name in cursive, and number 7 is your account number. Now, if you notice, here's a number 3 also. The 3 down here at the bottom also matches the check number at the top corner. So the money can be deposited into another account. So the money is taken out of the payer's account and then put into your account. Credit cards. Credit cards let people borrow money to buy things right away. Then they can pay for them later. Credit cards are helpful for buying costly items. But it's always best to save up, boys and girls. Here's the parts of a credit card. We have the account number and your name. Credit card payments are due every month. People who cannot pay the full amount pay extra money later, and this money is called interest. Using money wisely. People should use their money for their needs first. Then extra money can be for wants. So we've already talked about needs and wants, but here are some things that you need to have. And then wants are things that it would be nice to have, but you can live without them. People should try to stay out of debt. It is best to be smart with money. Now, debt is when you owe a person or a company money. So, like if you have a credit card or if you take out a loan, that is debt. And then here's the glossary that talks about the different words that we saw in this book.